My name's Ira. I'm 32. I'm a singer from Los Angeles.
He's a great singer from Los Angeles.
This is my lovely mother, Miriam.
Oh, honey, Bobby, thank you.
Let's get it on. To go out at any time. When I see you out and about, it's such a crime. At the corner, the hottest spot north of Havana.
After I sang my song and I saw all the smiles and all the people in the crowd, I realized that I do have a calling, and that's to sing and make people happy. Oh no, Grandma! No one likes a dead grandma. I know I wouldn't. Mine still owes me my bar mitzvah money.
Ooh, where did my life go wrong?
So all of us on Good Stuff are big fans of The Walking Dead?
Hey, man!
Oh, shiznizzle! Heckle, man, what happened?
A fictional character from an edgy cable television show struck me with a baseball bat and my head flew off and landed perfectly in this blender, yet I can still somehow speak.
Oh, shit, son!
I'm gonna be a eunuch in a minute.
The transplant went perfectly, and now I am the proud owner of new nipples that once belonged to 94-year-old Chester Mulligan. Dankeschön, Chester!
What? Screaming inside my head!
Do you think I'm pretty?
Gotta go.
Oh, Mr. Fu! One of my cats done run away from her mama again.
You like daughter to me, Jesse. Daughter with penis. They no fight anymore.
Man, this is weirder than a Saigon sucky show.
My nipples taste like raisins. My nipples